Do you always run out of money before the end of the month? Let's learn how to talk about saving money in English. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Welcome to Fun English Friends. In this video, you'll practice real-life English conversation, improve your listening and speaking, and learn useful vocabulary and phrases you can use every day. Don't miss the questions. You can find the answers in the video, so make sure to watch until the end. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's practice speaking together. Ready? Let's start. Oh no. I only have a little money left.
Again? What happened this time? It's probably nothing serious, Emma. Don't worry about it.
I hope you're right. I think I spend too much.
What did you buy?
Coffee, snacks, clothes.
Yeah, I noticed you buy coffee every day.
Hey!
I need coffee to survive. Haha, I understand. But small things can become big expenses.
You're right. I really want to save money, but I don't know how.
It's not too difficult. You just need a simple plan.
A plan? Like what?
First, you need to know where your money goes. First, budget. Second, save first. Third, avoid unnecessary things.
I never check that.
That's the problem. Try to write down everything you spend.
Everything? Even small things?
Yes, especially small things.
That sounds boring, but I will try.
It's not boring. It's helpful.
So, what do you do to save money?
I follow 3 simple rules.
3 rules? Tell me.
Rule number 1, I set a budget.
A budget? Like a limit?
Exactly. I decide how much I can spend each week.
That sounds smart.
Rule number 2, I save first.
What do you mean?
When I get my salary, I save some money immediately. Oh, before spending?
Yes.
If you wait, you will spend everything.
That's true. I always do that.
Rule number 3, I avoid unnecessary things.
Like what?
Like buying things I don't really need. Like clothes, snacks, online shopping.
Exactly. Okay, I think I have a problem.
Don't worry, everyone starts like that.
Do you ever feel tempted to spend money?
Of course, I'm human too.
So what do you do?
I wait for 24 hours before buying something.
Why?
Because sometimes we don't really need it.
Oh, that's a good idea.
After one day, I usually change my mind.
I need to try that.
Also, you can set a goal.
A goal?
Yes. What do you want to save money for?
Maybe a vacation.
That's perfect.
I really want to go to the beach.
Then think about that every time you want to spend money.
So I should ask myself, do I want this or my vacation?
Exactly.
Wow, that's powerful.
Saving money is not about being rich. It's about being smart.
I like that. You can start small.
Like what? Bring your own coffee from home.
Hey,
That's personal, babe.
Just a suggestion.
Okay, I will try.
And don't forget to celebrate small success.
Celebrate? With shopping?
No, with something simple. Like
What?
maybe a movie at home or your favorite food.
That sounds nice. So, are you ready to save money?
Yes. Starting today.
Good. I will check your progress next week.
Oh no. Now I feel pressure.
Don't worry. I'm your friend, not your boss.
Thank you, Tom. You really helped me.
Anytime. Friends help each other.
Okay, first step. No coffee tomorrow.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Now you will learn some new vocabulary and useful phrases for daily life. These words are very common and useful. You can use them when you speak English every day. Let's get started.
Spend. Meaning to use money to buy something. Example: I spend a lot of money on food. Expense. Meaning money you use for something. Cost. Example: rent is my biggest expense. Budget. Meaning a plan for how to use your money. Example: I make a budget every month. Plan. Meaning something you decide to do in the future. Example: I have a plan to save $100 this month. Rule. Meaning something you follow or obey. Example: my rule is no shopping on weekdays. Avoid. Meaning to stay away from something. Example: I avoid buying things I don't need. Unnecessary. Meaning not needed. Example: this bag is unnecessary. I already have one. Tempted. Meaning want to do something even if it's not good. Example: I feel tempted to buy new clothes. Goal. Meaning something you want to achieve. Example: my goal is to save money for a vacation. Celebrate. Meaning to do something fun for success. Example: I celebrate when I reach my goal. Pressure. Meaning feeling stressed or pushed. Example: I feel pressure to save money.
Nice work. Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. Why does Emma want to save money? Write your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye.